Hello folks, this is Sammy from RV Ready. Today I'm going to show you a video for a 2025 Coachmen Prism 24FS Select. As you can see, it's all grayed. The hood front cap part is painted to match the rest of the coach. So it looks like it's full body paint, although it's not full body paint. I want to point out that these chassis have this rounded edge here, which makes it very aerodynamic to cut the wind, because that's a big problem in Class C's. And please notice that the front cap does not have any seams in it whatsoever. That's also a big deal for leaks. Now let me go around and show you. We have an outside television here with a sound bar. This unit has Azdel on the outside and the inside. That's a big deal these days. We have a tankless water heater, little storage here, propane disconnect for your barbecue, rear camera, and they still have ladders on them. It's a very unique thing. It's kind of going away now. The hitch on the back has a 5,000 pound rating and very nice storage for a Class C 24 foot, 11 inches. It's one big slide out. There's the Onan generator. Notice it has a fiberglass running boards. You see, here's the front. Of course, this is the newer Mercedes with the 2.0 high output 4-cylinder and a 9-speed transmission. It really drives excellent. Now let me walk in here slowly. Shut that door. There we go. So we got a slide out that has a dinette and a queen bed in it. Dinette has drawers. Very nice, pretty colors. I love this kitchen. I think they call that the Indigo, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a mix of blue, and then we have white cabinets. Induction cooktop. If you haven't used one of those, they are really nice. And this is an air fryer, convection, and a microwave at the same time. 12-volt refrigerator, double door and the freezer on the bottom. And the newer models like this one, you don't have to fold the mattress up to put the slide in. As soon as you push the button, the top just goes up on its own. See, here's the white cabinets. And very tight. Look how big that is. Drawers too, magnetic holds on them. Bathroom's small, but again, this is a 24-foot, 11-inch coach. Good size shower, medicine cabinet, and it's ducted air conditioning, of course. It also has the fantastic fan here, which is a really nice feature. Nice TV, you know, smart television. Look at these things. See, they're pretty nice. Very, very nice. Now, these seats in the Mercedes, on each one of them, they will turn and make 2 more seats facing that way if you want. Very big size bed here, almost a queen. And that window right there has an automatic shade that goes up and down with a push of a button. The chassis, though, it's the newer chassis. Let's see. Let me just see if I can get this thing going. Okay, what do we got? Put key in the key marker. There we go. I guess I'm not putting it in the key marker. 2,323 miles. And how can we get this sucker on? Oh, okay. Maybe I'm just not doing it right. Oh, this is a adaptive cruise control. It has, of course, power windows, power mirrors, heated seats, and memory seats at the same time. And believe me, I don't know why I can't turn this on, but this is the MBUX system with lane keep, blind spot assist, navigation, accident mitigation, and that is the camera screen for 3 cameras, left, right, and rear, which is pretty cool. Let me take a look at this. This is really nice. Well, this is RV Ready in Lake Elsinore. Come and see us.